Good morning. About to get ready for my day. Then I use a beet and retinol mask. You can sleep in this mask or put it on and leave it on for like 20 minutes and then rinse it off. So that's what I do, like maybe 3 times out the week. I sleep in it maybe one night out of the week, but the rest of the time I apply it, let it sit like 20 minutes, and then I rinse it off. It is a beet and retinol sleeping mask. I get it from Marshall's. I've gotten it from off of Amazon, so that's what I do. And it helps with fine lines and wrinkles and texture. It's been a long day. I'm tired, but the family is getting together tonight. And I'm excited about that because we won't all be together for Thanksgiving. Everybody's kind of doing their own thing. So I came up with the idea that the family should get together tonight. I'm gonna get myself together and get ready to hang out with the family. And as long as I can vlog in there and it's cool with them, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Probably have to run some music because they play music most of the time. So I don't want any copyright issues. I already had one. So I'm just new to the whole copyright and don't do this and don't say that or whatever it is going on. I don't know. You know, I used the music that came with the iMovie, app situation, editing app. I used that music, so I don't know why I got the copyright. I just don't, but they didn't penalize me or ask me to take my video down, which I would have. I mean, I'm new to the game. I don't know if that hurts you or what, I don't know, but I'll just comply because I don't know, so I'm gonna go and get myself together, get ready for tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see y'all a little later. It's my family, the husband, my son, my sister, son-in-law, my daughter, and my other daughter.
Yes, I'm so happy. My kids, I'm missing 2, but they coming.
One is missing. It's a miss.
Hi, my other son, Roderick. I love you.
The fire pit, but they can turn that fire down.
When we turn it down,
Turn it down.
we drinking a little bit. She's like, no.
My nerves. Just do this. Get you some soup.